Gold and silver retraced from the highs today, and we have seen gold sliding towards 2363 levels and silver towards 2820. Now, what to expect from gold and silver with the US session, how we can profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicate. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. The subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get twice a day updates. You can also be part of the free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold and followed with silver. In simple steps, we'll try to find out how we can profit today. Now, see, earlier in the day, we have seen that gold has formed lower lows yesterday and it has tried to retrace. It has come towards the lower highs. It has consolidated and given a breakout. Now, if you connect the dots here, you can find out it is trying to create this channel. Where are the highs of this channel? Again, as I say, 2400, 2410 could be the one. If and only if it stays beyond 2390, now we have to stay bullish beyond 2390. We can look forward to 2400 and 2410 as an achievable target for what is happening right now. You can see a sharp drop. It is trying to retrace. It is getting a good resistance here, and thus if you see it is staying beyond 2376, you can buy. Wait for 2380, 2386, and then 2392, 90. If these three levels are taken in succession, consider that gold is staying bullish, else do not treat it still as bullish. Moving averages here have crossed over and are still in green, and it is still in the bullish zone. Stochastic rising from the oversold. Look at MACD on the hourly chart. This is trading with divergence. This is staying bearish here. RSI trying to rise a bit. Coming to 2 hour chart. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, you can find out it has found its good support here at 2365 levels, around 2365 levels. Look at these three candles. Almost the top is aligned here. Thus, it needs the current candle or the next candle need to break on the upside beyond 2376, 78 zone, and beyond that we can look forward to a rise towards 84, 85. Beyond 84, 85, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail, as we are looking at this channel to prevail, where the highs are at around 2380, 2400 or 2410 levels. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in, it has just crossed over. It is almost trading with minimal divergence. It has just crossed over. So the current candle will decide which direction it wants to take. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see the price has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. Taking the support, it is trying to bounce back. See one bullish candle, but yes, it has got its resistance intact. It has got a push from the upside. Now second candle trying to stay bullish. It has to break on the upside. Now even if it breaks on the upside above 2376, remember it has to break past this zone, which is going to be a critical resistance zone. And thus, as long as 2390, 92 is not taken, we have to be careful with our buying entries at 2376. You have to strictly trade. Also, one must look at series of consolidation candles. Then this breakout was seen. Again consolidation, a drop, and thus I will still expect that it may try to continue on the upside from here. The stochastic has dropped sharply. The MACD has crossed over. It is also trying to continue on the sell side. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hour. Similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts as well. But I'm just looking at it needs to break beyond the highs here, and the preceding candle highs need to be taken, because else look at the preceding candle, what it has done. It has formed a bearish candle, taking the support from the 20 period, try to bounce back. Now this could be reversal, but again, as I said, it has to break beyond this zone 2380, 85, 90 levels. These levels, if it breaks, then only we should treat gold as. Else what we can see here is lower highs, and then this red candle will appear, taking the prices further down. How low it can go? If it breaks below 2360, again I will be looking forward to 2350 and 2340 levels as the next target. And in fact, lower lows can also be seen here. Be careful, be watchful and alert here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. RSI flat. Coming to daily charts. Now, before I give, we look into daily charts and I share the trading strategy. If you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting week 1st of May. 30th batch it started yesterday itself. In this batch, we share all the key concepts, trading strategies, tools, techniques, and the trade setups which we have developed with our years of experience, which we share with you. And thus, do not miss to join this batch and equip all the learnings which can help you identify profitable trades and trades with you. Else you can be part of our signals channel, trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the service. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, The recommended broker is mentioned in the channel and video description. It offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. It is tried and trusted, and yes, it is also offering an account which is swap-free and with the lowest spreads if you join through the link. So why to waste your money? Join the broker and enjoy it. Now coming to daily charts here, on the daily chart, see where the day has started. It has started with the lower highs and it has continued to trade bearish only, and that is why I say where you can say that it is trying to reverse. Yes, it can still reverse because see the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail here, and bigger tail in a greener body suggests that it can still continue on the upside. So you have to wait for it to break beyond 2390-92 zone. Once it stays above 2390-92, you can look forward to 2400 and 2410. 2410 is the level which I will be looking forward, and thus I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 2376-78, you can initiate a buying entry. We can look forward to 2384-85 as the first, 2390-92 as the second, and beyond that sky is the limit. Just keep your bullish trade open and keep trading. While on the downside now, remember these are markets. Right now it is bearish, and if you see it is staying below 2365 levels, 2364 levels, you can initiate a selling entry here. Wait for 2360 to be taken. If 2360 is taken, stay bearish. We may look forward to a stronger drop. 2360-58 levels are going to be a very good support. If that is taken, then I will look forward to 2350 and 2340 levels. Below 2340, we can look forward to a further drop. See, prices are still divergent from the 20 period moving average, sitting at around 2300 levels right now. No signs are there, but remember, once it crashes, it is going to be a good crash. So I hope today is not the day, but yes, if you see it trailing below 2340 levels, more bearishness is definitely going to prevail. So sell at 2364-65, buy at 2375-76. Now let's have a look at not 75-76 but 76-77-8 levels. Now let's have a look at silver. See silver on the hourly chart, sharp bearishness here, retracement, again bearishness, again trying to reverse. It is trying to stay in the zone. On the downside appears 2820 is going to remain a very good support, and we have seen it here as well where it is consolidated and tried to show a rise. So yes, this zone is going to remain critical, 2820, 28 dollar levels. This is completely going to be a very critical zone for silver, because below that a sharper fall towards 2750, 2720 cannot be. If you look at the move here, the rise, the retracement, and if it drops here, it is going to be a sharper drop. Remember, it is going to be a sharper drop, lower highs, lower lows. It can in fact move towards 27 very soon. So this zone at 2820, $28 levels is going to remain critical. Be watchful here. Yes, it is under still retracement and a reversal from here. If you see silver trading beyond 2840, we can say that it is trying to reverse 2840, 2850. Very good resistance is there. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what it is doing, look at the preceding two candles, almost the bottom are very much aligned. It suggests it is going to get a very good support, but at the same time look at the highs here, lower highs are seen. Thus once you see it is staying below 2820 levels, consider that a little further drop can be expected, where it might try to head towards $28 levels, and below 28 is where more bearishness may prevail. Now just observe these candles. Diminishing body size suggests diminishing bearishness, and if silver trades beyond 2850, 2860 zone, we can say it is trying to reverse, and in fact we will be looking forward to higher highs. Where are the highs? Towards 2930, 2940 levels. So yes, if it stays beyond 2850, 60 zone, you can expect more bullishness here towards 2880, $29, and if it stays beyond this, 2930 is a must. The stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI flat. On the 3 hour charts, if on the 3 hour chart, see the preceding candle is important and interesting one. See, it is closed at the bottom and it is closed at a support. Now with that as a support, prices are trying to reverse a bit, and thus this is going to remain important. If it gives a breakout on the downside, 2820, $28 levels, certainly stronger bearish momentum can be expected here. Be careful. Stochastic divergent, stochastic has hit the bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is staying flat. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. My only observation here is the diminishing body size, which suggests that the support on the downside should be strong between 2820 levels. If it comes out of this zone, then you can expect a sharper crash, else a reversal cannot be denied here. If you look at the stochastic, this is hitting the bottom, the MACD is divergent and bearish, the RSI is flat. Coming to daily, if you look at daily charts, see, first of all, higher lows are seen, and now it has come to take the support here. So this is definitely going to remain critical. If it erases the gains from yesterday, if it drops below $28 level, certainly more bearish momentum is going to prevail here. And thus, if you're selling at 28.20, we have to be very, very careful here at till $28 levels is not taken. You have to trail your stop losses. You have to keep your stop losses at cost. Also, remember on the daily charts, prices are trading with too much of divergence from the moving averages and the median of the Bollinger Band sitting at 26.50 and $27 levels. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 28.50 levels. 28.50, 28.60 is going to be a good resistance here. If you're buying at 28.50 levels, we have to be careful of 28.65, 28.80, 29. If these three levels are taken, consider that silver is reversing and it is going to give you a very stronger rise, first towards 29.30, then towards 29.60 levels, which are very much and easily achievable levels. If it stays beyond 29, more bullish momentum is going to prevail. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do watch the twice a day updates, the subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, or be a part of the channel memberships on YouTube and join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update.